So hello everyone. Uh, so what's new now? And the new and the big news right now is that the not so new trade war between China and USA has again started as China on 3rd of December 2024, that is Tuesday, has banned the export of three important minerals, that is gallium, germanium and antimony to USA. And this move is not something which is coming out of nowhere. Actually, just a few days ago, USA also added around 100 Chinese companies in the list of restricted trade. So these 100 companies of China will be restricted to trade in USA. So China actually backfired or just gave a kind of reply to USA by prohibiting the export of these three important minerals, gallium, germanium and antimony to USA. Now let's understand how it is going to impact USA. Are these minerals very important? What if yes, then how it is going to impact the trade and the market of USA? These are the three minerals. This is antimony, gallium and germanium. These minerals are, the export of these minerals is banned by China to USA. The news is like, it is like this is a kind of reply to US America's step of restricting around 100 Chinese companies to trade in USA. This is the reply of China. Okay. So, what is special about these minerals? What is going to happen if these minerals will not be exported to USA? These minerals, germanium, gallium, and antimony, are very critical as they are used. They are the core elements or the building blocks of important sectors of economy like computer, renewable energy, and defense sector. Okay. For example, they are used in the manufacturing of semiconductors, which is actually now the heart and soul of every technology, whether it's communication technology or any kind of technology. After this, semiconductors, solar panels, the renewable energy, like the solar panels, these minerals are very much used in the production of manufacturing of solar panels, which is now becoming a dire need due to increasing climate change, and the countries have to complete their targets under the Paris Agreement. So they need solar panels. So these minerals are very important. Other than that, these minerals are also used in the manufacturing of defense sector, for example, guns and the bullets. So in the manufacturing of bullets, so these minerals are very critical. So if these minerals are very critical, point number one noted, China has banned the export. So USA can actually import these minerals from any other country, right? Now there comes the twist. China is basically having a monopoly in producing these minerals, as China is producing around 80 to 85%, and in some minerals 90% of the global production. China accounts for around 85 to 90% of the global production of these minerals. So if these minerals are, the export of these minerals is banned by China to USA, obviously USA is going to feel the impact on its economy. Definitely going to feel the impact on its economy. Now, what are the opportunities for India? Is there any opportunity for India? We all have heard about China plus one strategy. China plus one strategy is what? China plus one strategy talks about that countries of Europe and USA are looking for China plus any other country, so that in terms of imports of or import of manufactured goods, and in terms of importing minerals and other elements, other products, so that the monopoly of China should not be controlling the world. So countries like USA, European countries are looking for China plus one. There has to be another country other than China, so that if there are the diplomatic relations between China and these countries are not going well, then they can shift to some other country. So this will reduce that dependency of these countries on China. Now, India can use the opportunity of China plus one strategy so that these countries like USA and European countries will invest in India. They will invest in India so that in the exploration as well as excavation and production of these critical and rare minerals, and this will bring a lot of investment to Indian economy, which will lead to employment generation, infrastructure development, development of science and technology, research and development, R&D infrastructure. Entire ecosystem will be developed. How can we come to this kind of conclusion? Already American companies like Apple and other companies are shifting or are establishing their manufacturing base in India, which we have seen in the recent past. And in 2010, when actually China banned some kind of exports of some critical elements to Japan, Japan actually invested in Australia for the exploration and the production of those products which are banned by China. So this led to the development of Australian economy. This kind of development can happen to Indian economy also, and USA can look for a strong partner in Asia, which is empowered, which is a great economy, and they can invest their precious money and their technology in India. This can benefit India. Okay, so this is the learning from this particular article. Let's follow the news. Let's see what is going to happen next. All the best.